Alright, in this video we will be discussing the sticky bit, and in the previous video we have discussed the SGID. If you have not watched that video, make sure to watch that. I will mention the link in the description. So let's understand the sticky bit with the hotel analogy. So imagine a share board in the hotel lobby. Like anyone can post a note and anyone can read all of the notes. The rule here is you can remove your own notes while you cannot remove somebody else's note. Like for example, there is a notice board and you have the sticky paper, the small paper, and you are not the only person there to attach the sticky notes on the notice board. So you get the sticky notes, you write something on that and you attach on that notice board. Same is the case for another person. The another person do the same, so the other person can see your notes while you can see the other person notes. And one more thing is that you are able to write on his note and he's able to write on your notes as well. But the thing is, topic we have is the sticky bit. What happens is that another person can like take out or remove his note or sticky paper from the notice board while you can do your own. So right here you can see you can only remove your own notes, you cannot remove the other person notes. That's what the main part of the sticky bit. It just means you cannot tear down someone else's notes, and you can, even though you can see it. So in Linux term it will just mean the sticky bit is primarily used on directories or folders. So when the sticky bit is set for a file or folder, only the file owner or a root user can delete or modify the file inside that directory, and it does not even matter if somebody else has the modification permission for that directory or file. The main point is they cannot delete your file without your permission. So that's the main point. So there is a directory in Linux system which is called /tmp temp directory, and you can see right here when you type the ls and this, you will see the permission, the read, write and execute permission. This is temp file, and for the other block you can see here we have the t, and it just mean the sticky bit is being set for this tmp directory. So what is the tmp directory? The tmp directory is a worldwide writable file. Like anyone can create file inside this directory, but because of these sticky bits, what happens is that one person, like for example ls, cannot delete the Bob's temporary file. If the sticky bit did not exist, ls would be able to delete a Bob's temporary file. So you can see why it's important is that without the sticky bit anyone could delete anyone else's tmp file, and this will be chaotic and dangerous. So that's why the sticky bit prevent this. If you want to give the sticky bit permission to any directory, you will just type the chmod command with +t. It will just mean that you are giving the sticky bit permission to the specific directory. You will just type the folder name. And if you want to do the same thing but going for the octal option, you will just type the 1. This is the sticky bit specific value for enabling or setting the sticky bit, and this is the read, write, execute permission for this folder. So I hope this video makes sense. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. I will make sure to answer you, and peace out.